All right, today we're going to bring a dining room fixture. Now this one has long extension poles if you need to be long. All right, it could be right over your dining table or your island. Now this is not completed. You have to actually assemble it yourself. All right, the whole thing, it comes with the actual pieces because it's very compressed. It has a floor glasses that's required. We're gonna hang it today, but we're gonna make it short. I don't have tall ceilings, so we're gonna shorten it out, and you can do that. You have the option to make them as tall as you want or as short as you want. So we're gonna do that right now and see how it looks. Let's put this together. All right, check this out, guys. Look at the light fixture. Now, option, you could make it almost 2 feet tall, but because I don't have high ceiling, I went with one single bar. But the atmosphere here is perfect. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So if you want to set this up in your dining table, look how beautiful they look. You can make them as tall as you want. 60 watts on the light bulbs. I have the brightest ones right now. Daylight mode. Dimmable. Very simple to install. Hope you guys enjoy the video.